Hey, what's up, hustler? Faviola once again. I want to go over this free hustler plan. If you downloaded, I want to explain a little bit more with regards to why you need to have this done. Now, many of us, we are always on the go, go, go. Things can be very chaotic, can be very hectic, and we're constantly, you know what, unprepared. You got to be real, right? So one of the things that I utilize in my business is the hustler plan. And this is something that I utilize every single year, at the end of the year, at the beginning of the year, and throughout the year. It helps me not only to keep me focused and motivated, and really just a quick checklist as far as the things that I need to do daily, my daily routine, and really evaluate the end of the year, what I did, what I didn't do, what things actually worked financially, processes, the back end office. And then also it helps me to really analyze and plan for the future with regards to what things do I need to change, what things do I need to modify, what things do I need to basically tweak in order for my business to continue to run, but also, and more importantly, to continue to bring me business to generate the income that I need in order for me to be able to provide for my family. It also comes with a 90-day plan. It's basically setting your 30, 60, 90 days. Many of you don't do that, and I think it's super, super important. In the last 20 years, this has helped me better prepare myself for every single month with regards to, okay, how many appointments do I need to generate or get or work to get those leads every single month in order for me to really sustain my business, but more importantly, so that I'm not constantly struggling and worried about, okay, how am I going to pay my bills next month? How am I going to, or I should say, what am I going to do next month or the 30, 60, 90 days? And many of you guys are going through those challenges. So by having a strategic plan is going to help you, again, evaluate the previous year, prepare for the following year, and just really keep yourself focused. So I hope that this little planner helps you print it out, analyze your business, see where you're at, set your goals, make your notes, because trust me, it works and it will help you. Also, continue to boss up and rise.